We are checking the return system pressure, which is circulating oil, and it's related to your return filter bag. This is a comparative gauge. We're showing about 41, 42 psi, which is taken right off of the return line back to the tank. And just so you can see the comparison on the panel, we're about 42 psi, so that's your actual return pressure. And you would watch that gauge for a particular pressure you need to change your bag out, which would probably be 10 to 15 psi above whatever's on this gauge. Okay, this is our temp test. When we get to 175, we'll get a warning light. The heater will go off, and the pump will keep pumping oil out into the system. 175, warning light is on. Pump is still delivering oil out into the system, and the heater is off at this moment, so it doesn't overheat the oil. Any rise you see will be residual temperature that needs to equalize, and then when it drops back down to 170, the heater will come back on.
The mushroom e-stop only controls the flow. We push it, we unload the pump, the motor continues to run, and we drop the light. We've unloaded our pump, our flow has dropped down, we've lost our light. If we reset the mushroom stop, we reload it, and our flow is back up.
Do that one more time, John.
The light goes out, we've unloaded, and our flow has dropped.
The flow you're seeing, the 17 GPM you're seeing, is the residual flow going through the skid, and it's not being delivered to the system.
We reset it.
34 GPM. Thank you, John. Okay, we are checking the float switches inside the reservoir. We're going to artificially activate them. It's a little tricky the way we're doing it, but we're going to try and do the low level first and then the low level shutdown. Go ahead, Nick. There's your low level light. The unit's still running. Now he's going to come off of that and go find the shutdown.
And hold it off.
Well, he hit it and it actually shut down the rig.
It's shut down now.
It's kind of hard to manipulate inside the tank, but he did shut it down and the motor did shut down.
Now I'm going to release it.
He's going to release it and it's going to start up again. We're back to normal operation. This reading is a full pump output flow at no load, zero pressure. About 32 GPM, thereabouts. Panel shows 32 GPM and we're at 164. The next test we're going to do is 10 gallons a minute at 500 psi at temperature 170. Skid is noisy again. We're going to be about 27 GPM at 2500 psi at full operating temperature. 500 psi, about 10 gallons a minute. 10 gallons a minute at almost 170 degrees. PSI at 10 gallons a minute. 171 degrees, 10 gallons a minute.